Yo, what up, guys? We're gonna be using whatever this thing is. I don't even know the name. Okay, so first you got okay. That's a little weird, but yeah, it's fine. Okay. Oh my god. What? Yeah, put that back on. Okay, now for the real stuff. Here we go. So, yeah, thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Okay. So we're gonna see this weird looking charger thing. I can't even focus. Jeez. What? Why? Why is it not focusing? Focus, pocus. Okay, yeah. That's good. Hurry up. Wait, we don't need to see it now. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Alright, so we're gonna plug that thing into there. And there should be a little charging port thing on the drone. Yeah, plug it in there. Hurry up, plug it in. Jeez. Whoa. Okay, now plug that outlet into the wall. Or outlet into the USB charger and plug the made in China. Okay, just keep, yeah, just look what's going on the screen and you should be good. Knock.